Welcome back to Overheat, Kenworth Motorhome 2026, the pinnacle of power and luxury on the road. External aerodynamic design. To lessen wind resistance, Kenworth is probably going to use aerodynamic design components. Panoramic windows. There are large, probably double-glazed windows all throughout the car. Advanced LED lighting, a complete system of LED lighting. Plenty of exterior storage. The vehicle's underbelly is lined with numerous exterior storage compartments. The interior will feature high-tech, electrically adjustable, heated, and ventilated driver and front passenger chairs in the driver cockpit area. Navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information will all be shown on large digital panels. Living area. The focal point of the living area will be plush couches and armchairs, many of which include pull-out beds or reclining features. Kitchen. The kitchen will have top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, such as a tiny dishwasher, a full-size refrigerator with freezer, a convection oven, microwave, and an induction cooktop. There will be plenty of room to store groceries and kitchenware. Master bedroom. With a king or queen size bed and a luxurious mattress, the master bedroom will be a secluded haven. It will be standard to have a multi-zone entertainment system with a big flat-screen TV, a high-end sound system, and internet and satellite access. Strong engine. This RV will have the power to handle any terrain, even steep grades, and heavy hauling, thanks to a dependable heavy-duty diesel engine from Cummins or PACCAR, the parent company of Kenworth. A comfortable driving experience is guaranteed by a seamless automatic transmission. Air suspension system, by minimizing road bumps and vibrations. A complete air suspension system offers an extremely stable and smooth ride. Advanced braking system, maximum control and safety are guaranteed by a strong ABS braking system in conjunction with engine braking, 360-degree cameras, parking sensors, and GPS navigation systems designed for giant cars will make parking safer and easier.